Here it is, still 10:30 a.m. on Monday, February 23, 2026. This is the Great Blizzard. We're gonna dig out Sparky here. You can see we got about a foot, maybe 18 inch. All right. I haven't done much, 3 or 4 feet. You can see we got to go straight back where that little mark is above. That'll be too far. So we got to go that first knob, that first wart on the yellow siding is where we're going to. It's going to be a good 10 feet. We got to get the top cleaned and then the side vents and all around. So this is an unpleasant task. And we got to get to work. Back in a few minutes. Got Sparky cleaned out. So it's a narrow path through past the arborvitaes. Here's Sparky. Cleaned up. It's covered up quickly. This is the word I was talking about. So we come around. The vents are clear. Top is good. I'll have to do this again in an hour. It'd be nicer if this was deeper, but it's not. So that's it. So I'm going to come up a little later. I'm going to do the front walk and clear off Sparky some more. Woodshed is probably in a couple hours. That's it from here. Back soon.